How to create fantasy sky effect with CapCut PC. First, open CapCut, then import the video. Then drag the sky video over the main video. Then select the sky video and go to the mask option from right side. Then select split mask and now adjust and position it according to the object. Make a perfect alignment according to the video. Then increase the feather to remove the sharp edges. So it should be look like this. Now select the main video and right click on it and click copy and paste it top of every layer. Now select the duplicate one and go to the remove background tab from right side. Click on auto removal. Now let's see the preview. So that's how you can create fantasy sky effect with CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.